Think Uber's just a handy app for getting home after the pub? Well, it's also at the centre of one of the biggest tax battles in UK history. And the final bill? We're talking hundreds of millions of pounds. Here's the backstory. Uber's always said its drivers were self-employed, which means no VAT on fares because most drivers earn below the 85k VAT threshold. Drivers sorted out their own national insurance contributions and Uber saved big on PAYE and employer national insurance contributions. But HMRC didn't agree with this approach. HMRC argued that Uber wasn't just connecting passengers to drivers, it was actually running the whole transport service. And if Uber's the service provider, that would mean 20% VAT on every fare, plus all those employer taxes. That's a huge tax bill. And it gets worse. In 2021, the Supreme Court ruled that drivers aren't self-employed, they're workers. That means Uber now has to apply VAT to fares. They have to rethink the whole tax setup, from VAT to corporation tax, and the HMRC wanted backdated VAT going back years. We're talking a potential bill of over £500 million, all because of one decision about worker status. And guess who's picking up the tab? You. Fares have already gone up to cover the VAT. But this isn't just Uber's problem. If your business uses freelancers, contractors, or runs a platform like a marketplace, you need to pay attention. Because if HMRC decides you're the real service provider, that's VAT on all your sales, plus PAYE, employers' NICs, the works. Here's what the Uber case teaches us. 1. VAT isn't just about products. It applies to services too, and who provides them matters. Calling someone a contractor doesn't make them one. HMRC looks at the reality, not the label. Tax rules change fast, and when they do, it's your profits that take the hit. At Black and White Accounting, we help businesses stay one step ahead of surprises like this. We review your VAT risks so you know if you're exposed. We check your employment setup so you don't accidentally misclassify people. And we make sure your tax strategy works for today and tomorrow. Don't wait for HMRC to knock on your door. Give us a call and let's make sure your business is watertight on tax. Oh, and hit subscribe for more tax stories that might just save you a fortune.